Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. We've got baking, we've got cooking, we've got art, we've got crafting, we've got stuff with textiles, we've got animation, movie talk, all kinds of stuff on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. Oh wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. I did a yarn swap with my friend Alea at Cozy Crochet Co. And if you have not seen her channel, I will link her down below. You should go watch her channel. She creates her own patterns, usually beautiful wearables. Oh my gosh, the sweaters, the wraps, the blankets. What is this woman doing with her life? It's amazing. She goes live several times. She works with Furls Crochet, which, as you know, is one of my favorite brands. And I absolutely adore her as a person, but her channel is so fun. I highly recommend it, especially if you like to do wearables or blankets or things like that. I will link her down below, but she and I decided to do a yarn swap. And so I got her box here. Yay! And it is a furls box, but I'm not expecting furls. Oh my gosh, you put them in baggies? You're so nice. What? Okay. Wow. There's a lot in here. Okay. First we have miscellaneous acrylic yarn, 380 yards each. Ooh. All these pretty blues. Look at that. This one is 390 yards each. Also miscellaneous, but it does say acrylic, so yay. For those of you who don't know, I am allergic to wool, so yes, and Alea knows that, so I'm not worried about any wool being in here. Oh look, Furls yarn. Okay, this is the Furls Wander yarn. I love the Furls Wander yarn. This color is agave. And there's a couple in here. And another one. So let's see. Acrylic yarn, the yardage is 120 times 3. What should I make? I don't know. We'll have to see. Okay. Fuzzy yarn! I love fuzzy yarn! Ethereal eyelash. Ooh, 180 yards. Wow, this is soft. Holy cow. Can you see the beautiful little fuzzy halo? 75% acrylic, 25% polyamide, a number 5 bulky. And it is 180 yards. Ooh. Oh, yes. You need to become a wearable, I think. Because I need to wear you. You are so soft. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, and the color is... Where is the color name? Dusty Rose. Look at that fuzzy little halo. I love it. Another fuzzy yarn. Oh, the Super Saver brushed. Ooh. In dusty pink. So, Red Heart Super Saver brushed. I think this yarn is being discontinued. Sorry, I think it is. Medium number 4. Yardage would be nice. Here we go. 253 yards. And it's acrylic, but what else? Nope, 100% acrylic. If you want to do a color comparison, this is the Hobby Lobby one, this is the Red Heart one. They're both dusty pinks. Well, this is dusty rose, but you get the idea. Okay, and I'm gonna put this little baggie of goodies to the side. Ooh, Karen Jumbo. Blanket time. Okay. I am not a big blanket person, but when I got a giant skein of variegated yarn that does all the work for me, especially if I do a nice little corner to corner, yeah, got a nice throw, and doesn't take too long. So this is a medium number 4, 100% acrylic, 595 yards, and the color is gravel. Gravel? Wait, am I crazy, or are these purples? Why does it say gravel? Is it supposed to be gray? This is purple, right? This looks like lavender. This looks like lilac. This looks like a dusty lilac kind of color. Aren't these purple? Oh well, I'm saying it's purple. So. Oh my gosh. No way. Never enough Craft Smart yarn. 716 yards. What? This is enormous. Oh my goodness. But I love the color. Gold. Of course I love it. Medium number 4. We already know about the 716 yards. I assume it's just 100% acrylic. Yeah, there it is. 100% acrylic down here. Machine wash gentle. Do not bleach. Tumble dry. Do not iron or dry clean. Huh. It's got an interesting texture. It's like not quite scratchy, but it's definitely not soft. But this would be a great hair color for like a doll. What am I gonna do with 716 yards of it? I don't know, maybe I have to make like a giant golden retriever or something. Oh, little skeins! I love little skeins. Yay! Little skeins. Okay. We have, DIY Glow by Lion Brand. Yeah, she knows how I love my glow-in-the-dark yarns. This is the color Natural. It is a medium number 4, 100% polyester, and it does glow in the dark. Now, this yarn has a chemical on it that my friend warned me about. Those of us with certain immune systems, our body may not react well to breathing this in for a long period of time. So you might want to make something very quick and then wash your hands and get it out of your house. But it will look really cool. And I have 2 of them, so maybe I'll make like a big spider web or something. Oh! I know this yarn. This yarn is from, oh my goodness. I work for them. Oh no, please say it on the label. Bling Bling Yarn. It's been a really long week. Bling Bling Yarn. I work for them, so my link is down below if you want to purchase any really cool glow-in-the-dark yarn, especially the sparkly kind. Anyway, this is the chenille kind, and the, I think this is supposed to be the sparkly one, but this is the smallest amount of sparkle I've seen in these yarns ever. Now, these labels do not tell you much. That is the one bummer about it, but the website does, so you can learn about the yarn before you buy it. But this is probably a 3. Yeah, I think this is about a 3 weight, and this one is about like a thick 3. I think it wants to be a 4, but it's not quite there. So anyway, these two colors. Sorry, I do not know color names. Bling Bling Yarn doesn't do that. And then I got this random one that is one of their reflective yarns. So this one looks more like kind of like Christmas lights, and then these two glow. So it's really fun if you've never played with it. It's super fun. Okay, now let's see what's in this cute little bag of goodies. Bag of happiness, as it says. Okay. Weaving loom? What? Do-it-yourself weaving loom? Oh, that'll be fun. Yes, please. I haven't done that since I was in... Did I do it in high school? No. Middle school. I haven't done weaving since I was in middle school. Holy cow. Let's just put it this way. A lot of years in between. But this will be really fun to pick that up again. Okay. Just reach in here and grab stuff randomly. Oh! Oh my goodness. Did you make me stuff? What? I feel bad. I don't think I made you any earrings or anything. Aww. I think she made these. These are beautiful stitch markers. Look at that. Stunning. And lovely earrings. They look like clouds with rain. Whoops. Let's fix that. Aw, peppermint tea. So sweet. I'm a tea person, she knows this. And peppermint is very good for my immune system, so thank you. Okay. I have to explain something. Alea has been trying to get me to do Tunisian crochet for a while now, and I'm just not interested. I'm guessing this is a hint that you're not taking no for an answer. All right, maybe next year, maybe I will try it, and I will video it, and it will be an epic fail, but you will all get to laugh at my misery. But at least I tried it. Hint taken. Oh! So if you don't know, I'm a scissor collector. And she got me rainbow unicorn scissors. Oh, I love them so much. This is so exciting. Oh, they're so beautiful. Another one for the collection. And no, I do not have rainbow or unicorns. So 2 for 1. Kind of surprised I don't have unicorns in my collection, but I don't. Ooh, peach. I love peach. Love peach. Got my peach water right here in my beautiful cup that my Glinda got for me. Thank you, Glinda. I'm a peach girl. Okay. Ooh, a pencil. What does it say? Just one more row. Yeah. We're all guilty of that one, I think. Just one more row. I can do this before bed. 5 rows later. Okay. Is that everything? Oh, no. Wait, what's this? Oh, it's a little lanyard that she totally made. Oh, this is so cute. I feel bad. I didn't make you anything, I don't think. I don't remember if I made you anything. If I did, it's like stitch markers, so enjoy. Okay. What is this? What? I mean, it could just be the box. Oh my stars! I will not cry. No. She got me a furls hook. Not only just a furls hook, she got me the onyx streamline metal in a 7mm. Thank you so much. This is amazing. This is all amazing, but I was 1000% not expecting this. I mean, I know you mentioned you could probably get one, but people just say stuff, you know, like, I'll talk to the company and, like, they just say yes, but, I guess they gave you a discount or something, but that's so sweet. Now I want to go make a pair of slippers. For those of you who don't know, I have several slipper patterns that I designed, and it's my go-to when I don't know what else to make, and 7mm is what I use. Oh, this is so beautiful and smooth. What? So smooth. Oh my goodness. Alea, this was all amazing. Thank you for yarn swapping with me, which you included some stuff that was not yarn swapping, but like this, but thank you. And I'm so excited. Kind of want to make a blanket now. Can I use you to make a blanket? And the fuzzy yarn, oh my gosh, so fun. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with 716 yards, but I'll think of something. And these are so cute. Ah, so fun. This will be fun for spring. And then the little yarns that glow in the dark. And then all right, you gave me a furls hook. I'll try Tunisian, okay? That's fair. Next year. And I will document it, and everybody can see my pain. Thank you so much for doing this with me. I love you, girl. Go check out her channel. Go see what I got her. And thanks for watching. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.